Hello guys, welcome. In this video, I have solved Physical Science 2023 paper of West Bengal Madhyamik. I have solved only Group A in this video. So the first question is, which of the following gas helps in the depletion of ozone in the ozone layer? So the options given are carbon dioxide, argon, helium and CFC. Argon and helium, these are inert gases. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas. So the gas which depletes ozone is the CFC. Next question is, what is the value of PV for 4 gram of hydrogen gas at standard temperature and pressure? H is given as 1. So you have to find what is the value of PV. So in terms of RT, so we know ideal gas equation PV equals to nRT, where P is pressure, volume, N represents your number of moles, R is a gas constant and T is temperature. We have been given gas as hydrogen gas, that is 4 gram of hydrogen gas at STP. We know molecular weight of hydrogen is H2 is 2 gram, and this 2 gram is equivalent to 1 mole. So we have been given 4 gram of hydrogen. So 4 gram, if 2 gram is 1 mole, 4 gram is 2 moles. So the value of N over here is 2. So the equation is like PV equals to 2 times RT. So the correct option is number B. Okay, question number 3. How many gram of oxygen will be required to make carbon dioxide by burning 12 gram carbon completely? So the answer will be 32 gram. How? Carbon like burn गरिराख्छ oxygen ले to give you carbon dioxide. First you need to check whether this equation is balanced or not. 1 carbon here, 1 carbon is balanced, 2 oxygen, so the equation is balanced. Now molecular weight of carbon 12 gram, oxygen 2 times 16, O is given as 16, so 2O, 2 times 16, that is 32 gram, and carbon dioxide is 12 plus 32, which is 44 gram. Okay, so in the question you have been asked how many gram of oxygen will be required to make carbon dioxide by burning 12 gram of carbon completely. So in this balance equation you can see that 12 gram of oxygen, 12 gram of carbon is reacting with 32 gram of oxygen. So how many gram of oxygen will be required for 12 gram of carbon? So the answer is 32 gram. Question number 4. How many types of thermal expansion coefficients are there for a liquid? So for a liquid there are 2 types of thermal expansion coefficients, and those are superficial expansion and volume expansion. The correct answer is number C. Number 5. In the case of refraction of white light through a prism, the light of color which deviates the least is yellow, orange, violet, red. So there is a prism, white light is incident, polychromatic light. Okay, so this is your denser medium, this is your air, that is a rarer medium. So whenever light enters from rarer to denser, it will bend towards the normal. And in prism, various different wavelengths have different velocities. So the velocity of red light is very high as compared to other lights. So red will be deviated the least. Okay, and the most deviation will be seen in violet. So the correct answer is red. Question number 6. If a reflected ray from a concave mirror makes an angle of 45 degree with the normal, the angle of incidence will be how much? So there is a reflected ray and is making an angle of 45 degree with the normal. So angle of reflection is 45 degree. What is the angle of incidence? So whether it is concave or convex, law of reflection tells that angle of reflection will be equal to angle of incidence. So angle of incidence will also be equal to 45 degree. The correct option is D. Question number 7. What is the unit of conductivity? Now conductivity is reciprocal of resistivity. The unit of resistivity is ohm into meter. Okay, so the unit of conductivity will be reciprocal of this, ohm into meter to the power minus 1, or this is called MHO. Okay, reciprocal of ohm, MHO, into meter to the power minus 1, and the correct option is A. Number 8. If a current of 0.2 ampere flows through a conductor of resistance of 40 ohm, what is the potential difference between the two ends of the conductor? Suppose you have a conductor end A and end B. So the current of 0.2 ampere is flowing through the conductor of resistance of 40 ohm. According to Ohm's rule, okay, V equals to IR. We have to find V, potential difference between the ends. I is 0.2 ampere into resistance 40 ohm. So this will be 8.0 volt. Question number 9. The correct order of penetrating power of alpha, beta and gamma rays is, so penetrating power jasko jada energy tesko jada penetrating power. So alpha, beta, gamma has got a more energy with it. Okay, then follows beta, then alpha. So the correct option is gamma is greater than beta is greater than alpha. How many elements are there in fourth period of long periodic table? The option is 18. Okay, question number 11. In the formation of calcium oxide, how many electrons are transferred from calcium atom to oxygen atom? Atomic number of oxygen and calcium are given as 8 and 20 respectively. So electronic configuration of oxygen will be 2, 6, it requires 2 electron, and calcium will be 2, 8, 8, 2. So 2 identical and it will be stable. So 2 electrons from calcium is transferred to oxygen atom. So correct option is 2. In the extraction of aluminium by the process of electrolysis, the fused mixture used contains which of the following along with cryolite and fluorspar? So extraction of aluminium by the process of electrolysis, we use ore as bauxite, Al2O3 with some molecules of water in it. Okay, so electrolysis kaile garcha bhanda ore ko dressing ani ore ko concentration गरिसकेर we obtain pure alumina, we obtain Al2O3. So yahaबाट aluminium extract garcha. So in the mixture along with cryolite and fluorspar, pure alumina is present. So the correct option is D. Question number 13. For the preparation of nitrogen gas in the laboratory, the mixed aqueous solution of which of the following two compounds is used? So we use ammonium chloride and sodium nitrite, NiTrite, nitrite. Which of the following is the formula of zinc blend, zinc sulfide? Finally, the last question of group A, question number 15. Which of the following is an alcohol? So to check for alcohol, functional group we have to check OH group. Okay, so number B is CHO, it's aldehyde, yo ketone, carboxylic acid, and OH is over here. The correct option is D. So the name of this alcohol is ethyl alcohol or ethanol.